Once again, please remember to stay fully seated. Once again, welcome aboard to the Eastern Star Railroad Wildlife Express. My name is Ariana and I will be your conductor in our way to Rapiki's Planet Watch. In Rapiki's Planet Watch, you will find the veterinary hospital, the animal science center, nutrition center, and animal exhibits. Also, characters meet and greet with Rafiki himself and his friend, Dog McStuffins. Rafiki's Planet Watch is also home to the flexion section. This is our feeding yard where you can feed some more domestic animals, like chickens and goats. We are now passing some backstage barns. These barns are home to the hop stop, warhorse and lions. The way these animals are calling into the barn every night is by a specific sound cue. When there is a triangle or two pieces of wood hit together, when the animals hear their sound, they know it's time to come in for dinner or any extra care they need. Our train is slowing down as we come in an scheduled stop and we are waiting our sister trains to leave the other station. So please remember to stay fully seated with your hands, arms, feet and legs inside the train at all times. We are now passing some more backstage bars. These bars are home to the well-renowned cheetahs and the largest of all the land animals, the African elephant. Remember to stay seated, keeping hands, arms, feet and legs inside the train until we come in a complete stop and the doors are open for you by a cast member. If you have a personal stroller, please wait to unfold it until you have crossed over the yellow safety line. Thank you for riding the
Our train's now in motion, so there is no more switching seats, no standing, and for the safety and comfort and out of courtesy to those around you, there is no smoking aboard our train.
We're going to be back in.
We do hope you enjoyed your visit here at Rafiki's Planet Watch. Our conservation message is to look for and purchase products that are friendly to the environment.
Rafiki's Planet Watch,
That's where we just left. Yeah, that's where we left.
There's a festival of the Lion King. There was nothing nearby though, or no close by time-wise to that, right? That's the only thing left in this area other than the Gorilla Falls. Was there any of that
our way back to Harambe, we are traveling along the edge of Asia. Up ahead, we'll be passing by a very small Asian village built like one that you would find in Indonesia. The huts are built on stones to protect the inhabitants from the flood, monsoon rains. Air circulates around the building to keep the inhabitants cool during their tropical summer months. They pull those ladders up each and every night to protect themselves from wild animals and unwanted visitors.
Mommy's trying to figure out what we need.
In Asia, you'll find the Maharaja Jungle Trek, a self-guided walking tour where you can see our giant fruit bats with wingspans of up to 6 feet and several other exotic birds and animals that are indigenous to Asia. Asia is the home of the Kali River Rapids, a whitewater rafting ride down the Shakarnati River where you are guaranteed to get wet, if not completely soaked. We do offer complimentary lockers over at Kali so that you can place any of your personal belongings you'd like to keep dry inside of the locker. If this train is traveling a little too slow for you, head on over to Expedition Everest, also located in Asia. Expedition Everest is a high-speed roller coaster train ride through the Himalaya Mountains, where you'll be traveling at speeds of 55 miles per hour, moving forward, backward, up and down, inside and outside of the mountain.
There's the Kerala Falls and the festival.
We're now leaving Asia behind us and approaching our destination of Harambe, Africa. So once again, for your safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop and a cast member has come by to open the doors for you. We will open the doors when it is safe to do so. All strollers must be kept folded until you cross the solid yellow safety lines on either end of the platform where you will be exiting. On behalf of our cast, thank you for riding with us on the Wildlife Express. Please look around and gather all of your personal belongings before you leave the train. And to enjoy the rest of your day here at Disney's Animal Kingdom, or wherever your journey and adventures may take you.